I'm going to show you how you can work from home with your own online e-commerce business. But first, I'll tell you a little bit about who I am and why you'd even bother wanting to listen to me. My name is Sarah Bailey, and I was born and raised outside Chicago, Illinois, and for the past 9 years, I've been living in Connecticut. I've been a stay-at-home mom for the past 14 years, but prior to that, I had been a dietitian in many different areas. But once it was time to have kids, I really wanted to be home with them full-time. In the past 5 years, though, I decided I wanted to have another income for our family, and I also wanted to teach my children a little bit about entrepreneurship because I think that's something very important for kids to learn. And so I don't know about you and what your experience has been working from home, but most home businesses, almost all of them, want you to get out there and recruit friends and family, have home parties and home meetings and things like that. And that's something I was never really that comfortable with. I got good at it and I was able to recruit people and build teams, but that's not what most people can do. And it's usually a struggle for people. I wanted to be able to create an income from home online, completely online, and be able to show other people how they could do it too so that they didn't have to go out and recruit friends and family. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And hopefully it'll be something that resonates with you. And if it does, then awesome. If not, that's okay too, because what we do is really not for everybody. But I'll show you what we're doing and we'll take it from there. My family, this is my husband. We've been married 23 years. This is a picture from us from our anniversary dinner celebrating in New York City this past summer. And on the upper right, those are my two boys when we were in Lake Tahoe with my niece. And that was a wonderful vacation. If you have not been to Lake Tahoe, you got to get there at some point. The bottom left corner is my family and I when we were searching for Christmas trees this past Christmas. And then the bottom right are the two other members of our family, our lab and German Shepherd, Cooper and Ginger. Now, what are we looking for in people partnering up with us to do an e-commerce business? We're looking for people who want to work online from home. You have to be able to work well independently because you're working on your own. You're working from home. It takes a good work ethic and it takes very disciplined work habits. What we do is something that's very easy to do, but it's also very easy not to do. It's easy to get distracted, so you've got to be disciplined with your work habits. The schedule to work is very flexible, but ideally you want to be able to work 1 to 2 hours a day. Even if you had 30 minutes, that is something that would be very helpful to you. You have to have a computer with internet, and you don't have to do it from home. As long as you have a computer with an internet connection, you could be at the coffee shop, at a friend's house, you could be on vacation, wherever you have a computer with internet access. You should have a small amount of knowledge with Microsoft Word and Excel. You don't have to know how to do Excel spreadsheets, like formulas on spreadsheets, but you would have to know basically how to enter data into an Excel spreadsheet. And if you don't know how, it is something that we can teach you. And then also something very basic is knowing how to copy and paste things that you find online that you can copy on one place and paste in another. We can show you how to do that too. But with experience with eBay and Amazon, you don't have to have that, but it is something that would be helpful. At least buying. If you've been purchasing things on Amazon or eBay before, this is something that's going to help you coming into this business. And you have to be at least 18 years old. Now, the benefits for you are that you can work either part-time or full-time. It's not going to interfere with any current job or school. If you're a homeschooling parent or if you're a full-time parent, this is something you can work around your kids' schedules. In fact, it's something that I found extremely appealing for me because I can sit there with my kids while they're doing homework. And if they have a question, I can drop what I'm doing, turn to them and say, hey, honey, how can I help you? Okay. So it's great. I mean, you could do this in the middle of the night. You could do it first thing in the morning. Whatever you want to do, you're able to work your own hours from home. And you can earn either supplemental income, whether it's a few $100s a month or several $1,000s a month, it's up to you. And you'll be able to work when and where you want. Like I said, as long as you have a computer with an internet connection, you'll be able to do what we do. Now, your income is going to be based on the time you put in and the skills you develop. So if you follow the trainings that we set up for you and you really dive into that and you apply what you learn, then you'll be able to earn more money than somebody who would just look at the training one time and not even follow what we direct you to do, okay? So the more time you put in, the more income that you'll get. And the tax benefits of working from home and having a home business from home are huge. Now, I'm not a CPA, so you'd have to go talk to a CPA for specifics because I cannot advise you on that. But you will be able to write off things like your home office, the space you dedicate to a home business, car expenses, phone, internet, things like that. But again, you would talk to a CPA about that. With this business model that we have, there's no recruiting, no selling friends and family, no awkward conversations with people you know or don't know, no home parties, no meetings or hotel meetings, no building websites, and no generating traffic. So you might be asking yourself, how is this possible? How do we do this? I'll tell you. It has to do with online sales. Between the years 2002 and 2014, we've seen almost a 500% increase in online shopping. That is huge. It's a huge increase, and it will continue to increase. Think about Thanksgiving in the United States. The day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday, traditionally has been the busiest shopping day of the year. Okay? More people go shopping after Thanksgiving than any other day of the year. But what we see now is that Cyber Monday, which is just a few days later, where people do shopping online, Cyber Monday sales have now surpassed the Black Friday sales. So people are really turning online to buy things. So where do you fit in with all of this? And how do you take advantage of the surge in online sales? We do this with dropshipping. If you've not heard of it before, it's very likely that you have actually experienced it, and I'll show you how it works. Basically, with dropshipping, you're not going to have to touch any products. When you dropship, companies do dropshipping, individuals do dropshipping. You find an item in one place online, and then you go over and list it on another site. And then when the customer buys it, they pay you directly, and then you go back to the supplier and ship it to the customer. I'll explain that in a little bit more detail. So here we go. So you find items on supplier websites. Now, we will tell you what these suppliers are, what suppliers we use, and how to find the items. Okay, so you find the items on supplier websites. You copy and paste the item onto another site like eBay, or there's some other sites that you can use as well. So you copy the listing, then let's say you're going to use eBay for this example. The customer on eBay sees your listing and they pay you for it directly through PayPal. It goes right into your PayPal account. Then you go back to the supplier website and you order the product. Then the supplier will ship the product for you to eBay customer. For example, let's say you had something that you found an item on Amazon and it's going to cost you $50. You go over to eBay and you list the same item for, let's say, $80 or $90. When a customer pays for it, then you go back over to Amazon and then you ship it to them. It does not come to you first. Okay, so then you are the one who's going to pocket the difference in the price. You're going to earn the profit. So you've heard of buy low and sell high, right? Well, we're going to teach you how to sell high first and then buy low. So here's an example. But first, more about the benefits of dropshipping is that you're not going to have to deal with inventory, not in your house, not in a warehouse. You don't have to deal with it. You don't have to package things up. You don't have to go to the post office or the UPS store to ship them out, and you don't have those upfront costs. And not only individuals are doing dropshipping, but big companies are doing them as well. Look at Walmart. If you go in Walmart and you buy different kinds of furniture, Wayfair is a big supplier for Walmart. So if you order something on Walmart, Walmart is actually dropshipping for Wayfair.com. Now here's an example of something you might find on Amazon. Look at this desk office tray organizer. Look closely at the picture. You're going to see orange paper here, yellow paper, a tape dispenser, and little gadgets below like paper clips. The price on Amazon is $41.47. And also look at these 4 pictures on the side here. Now we go over to eBay, we see the same exact item listed for $66.65. Look, it's the orange paper, the yellow paper, the tape dispenser, the gadgets, and the same 4 pictures. The person on eBay who's selling this has found their item over at Amazon and they're listing it on eBay. Look, it was $41.47 on Amazon, $66.65 on eBay. So this person is going to earn $25.18 in profit minus eBay fees. So imagine if you sold that 5 or 10 times a day. How awesome would that be? It's done completely online. You never touch the product. You don't have to pack up the product, and you don't have to go to the post office. It's a beautiful thing. So how do you dropship? We use a platform by Dropship Domination called DS Domination. We provide full training. We give you full training modules that will help you know exactly what to do. How to set up a PayPal account, how to set up an eBay account. We take you step by step, by the hand, how to find items, how to create your titles, and we will provide you with continuous weekly training. The training is live, and you can go there on the trainings and ask questions that you may have. And the trainings, if you cannot make it live, it's no big deal. We put most of the trainings as a recording in your personal back office, so you would be able to access them at any time. DS Domination provides software. We have a product scraper that will help you identify products that you can list on eBay and other platforms. We have a title optimizer. So when you go and you type in the search bar on eBay or Amazon, whatever it is you're looking for, like a desk organizer tray system, something like that, those are keywords. We will help you with a title building tool come up with very profitable keywords that will help people find your item. I tell you, the first time I sold something on eBay, it was awesome. I live in Connecticut. My first customer came out of California. I listed beanbag chairs, okay? And somebody bought a couple beanbag chairs, and it's somebody I didn't even know. And it was so awesome because being in other home businesses where you have to sell products through people you know and through people they know, sometimes it's awkward to sell to friends and family, right? And so that's why I didn't like it. So in this case, I listed something online and somebody else was searching for that same item and they bought it from me. And I had no idea who this person was. And what this teaches you is that if you can sell one item, you can sell two. If you can sell two, you can sell four. If you can sell four, you can sell 10. And you just scale it up. It's really awesome. Okay, so other things that we provide you with software are this price tracking tool. So that will give you notifications if there's any adjustment in price from your supplier. We provide an image scrambler and resizer tool. So there's a special trick you can do with images to get your product seen first, okay? Or to be searched out higher in the search engines. It will help you get your product listed higher in the searches so that customers will see you, okay? And that's a very cool thing that we have. And then there's an inventory tracker spreadsheet. This is where Excel comes in, and we provide you a spreadsheet that will help you track all of your listings and your sales. And we also have a new automation tool which will help you list the items very quickly. It's literally copy and paste. You put in the URL, the address bar of your item that you find on Amazon or another site, and you put it right into our automation tool in the DS Domination back office, and it will create the listing for you on eBay. Where do we source products? Well, we teach you how to go from Amazon to eBay, also from Overstock.com to eBay, where you can make even bigger profits. And as you progress through the trainings, we will open up other suppliers to you. So we start you in something basic at a level called Pro. And in Pro, you learn just the basics of how to start making profit. And you can make several $100s a month, several $1,000s a month just with the Pro trainings that we're going to show you. After Pro comes Elite, and then there's some other levels after that. So we give you steps that you can handle in small amounts, baby steps, to progress higher to higher levels, to higher profits. And I'll show you how we do this. Now, you may be asking, well, can you really make money doing this? Can I really make money doing this? I'll show you how some of our students have done. One of my friends asked on Facebook, what's your largest profit on one sale? Look at this, $800, $200, $363, $847 with Elite, that's that second level program, $131, $480, not even including cash back. We teach you how to use cash back sites to increase your profits as well. $254, $180, $350, $330, $100, $699, $125. Look at Ashley. I can't believe what happened an hour ago. It seemed I made 2 sales, which was fantastic, but it turned out that the second sale was actually 4, laugh out loud. More of these surprises, please. Here's some more. Barbara, $68 profit. Pat, another item sold. This makes 5 sales in 48 hours. Stephen, another sale. This one going out to Arizona. This works. My third one on the same item. I just joined 3 days ago. Valerie, I've been in just over 2 weeks. I sold my first item within 2 to 3 days. I have no idea how many items I've sold, however, I regularly experience $100 days. Matter of fact, I've already made a profit of $142 today, and it's only 1 p.m. I just follow the videos and let eBay do the rest. Reginald, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to call eBay and get my limits raised. These sales are starting to come in every 5 minutes, up to 10 eBay sales now, just for today. What's the cost of this program? I will tell you there are other programs out there that teach you how to sell on eBay and Amazon. And I will also tell you that they will charge hundreds of dollars. Some of them charge thousands of dollars. And they don't offer the level of support that you will find inside DS Domination. Our program to get started is only $19.95 per month. You can cancel anytime, but you probably won't want to because you're going to see the value in here. But truly, there's no cancellation fee. Get started, $20 a month. That's like going to Starbucks once or twice, right? Or ordering a pizza. It's nothing. We provide you full training. We give you video modules that take you step by step, just like I said. Weekly live trainings that you can participate in. You can ask questions in the weekly live trainings, get your questions answered. The software, I told you about the software before, the product scraper, the title optimizer, the price tracking tool, image scrambler, inventory tracker spreadsheet, automation tool. And I want you to have the mindset that this will work, okay? This is not like other home businesses where your income depends on how well you can recruit, because you don't have to recruit in this business. This teaches you a very usable skill on how to sell on eBay and Amazon and other platforms, okay? Online shopping is something that's growing every single year. You have to know that you can capitalize on this. You've seen evidence of other people, and I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of more testimonies from other people who've had success with the DS Domination platform. So you have to know all it's going to take from you is a mindset that it's going to work, and that a dedication that you're going to put time into this every day or several days a week for 1 to 2 hours at a time, even 30 minutes if you had 30 minutes, and know that the more practice you get, the more listings you do, the more money you're going to earn. What kind of support are you going to get? Well, we have company support. We have weekly seminars, like I mentioned. We also have a help desk where you can write in and ask questions anytime. And we're very interactive on Facebook. We have company official Facebook sites, and we also have Facebook groups for our team. Our team has about 1,700 members right now, and it's very interactive. You're going to get access to a team training site where things are trainings that we have exclusive to our team only. On Facebook, our group is very interactive. I will be your mentor and your coach, so you can come to me with questions anytime. But for whatever reason, if I'm not available, go into the Facebook group, ask your question, and not will you get just one answer like you'd get from me, but you'll see like 3, 5, 10 people who will answer your question as well and give you different bits of advice to help you have success. I've never seen this before in any company where there's such community among the members. People are very willing to help you out and give you support. We celebrate each other's successes, and we provide support to each other, and we will also strategize with you to come up with a plan so that you can earn whatever kind of income it is that you've set aside that you want to earn. I don't know if you're looking to just get a few $100s a month so that you can just pay a couple bills. Maybe you're looking for several $1,000s a month. Whatever it is that you're looking to achieve, we will help you achieve that goal. Okay? Just keep in mind that success is connected to action. The more action you take, the more success you will experience in life. Now, when you join us today, you will get an extra $2,000 in special bonuses for you that will give you extra trainings just to help you get in profit right away. Our goal is to help you get in profit in your first week. We have people who 83% of members who join us are in profit in their first 30 days. Now, the trainings that we give you, if you follow them, they will help you have success in those first 30 days and hopefully even sooner than that. So join us today. It's only $20. To get started, you can either click the link below where it says Get Started, click on that button below, or you can send me an email at sarahbaileymarketing@gmail.com. You can find me on Skype at sarahbailey222, and you can even call me as well. My number is 203-551-1840. Hope this information has been helpful. Would love to welcome you to our team. Again, if you have any questions, just reach out to me, and I hope you have a super fantastic, awesome day.